What's up, y'all? No, we're not gonna detonate. She's on her way home. We're doing a ice check. We were just at the Prophet Muskwa landing. We'll have to check it out. 1,200 meters to go, and she'll be home. We're out at 2.8 kilometers from here. The first video that'll come up will be from by the logging road. We couldn't quite make her. We made her to the bridge and lost signal when it returned home. So we come down here by the pipeline, and yeah, 2.8 kilometers that way. She's here we come.